Yeah, this is a remote controller for TikTok. And you're gonna want one too. So let's check it out. If you can't afford anything else, at the very least, you can still get this. Because for the cost of 4 large key candies, you can pick up a fully functional, portable phone stand. And a surprisingly good one too. Able to hold up the S23 Ultra with a case on, it even offers dual viewing angles for both landscape and portrait mode, just in case you ever need to go hands-free for those thirst traps on TikTok. Sure, it's a simple piece of plastic, but wrapped in a rubber coating that gives it a premium feel. And they've even included a keychain ring, so you can take it with you. Plus, given how sturdy it is, you don't have to actually worry about tossing it into your pocket or it scratching up any of your devices either. And we've all been there, waiting for your girlfriend and wanting to watch your favorite anime. Now you can comfortably, anytime, anywhere. Now, cases are great to protect your phone, but why not take it one step further and prevent your butterfingers from dropping it in the first place? The dbrand grip case has built-in rubber patches that, when combined with the textured edges, not only feel amazing to hold on to, but allows your fingers to actually feel something real for once. However, the case also offers what you'd expect in a case. Protection around front, proper port cutouts even for the S Pen, and even customized skins around the back too. The thick rubber case offers more than enough drop protection for daily usage, mainly thanks to that juicy lip around front. However, if cases aren't your jam but you still want to stay covered without sacrificing on any bulk, dbrand skins are the next best thing. I've got the palette collection here, and while installation is super simple, the high-end 3M vinyl they use doubles as great scratch resistance too, and also stays on even after several months of being pulled in and out of your pockets. My favorite goes to the black camo though, as it changes depending on the light, and you'll definitely stand out in a crowd, not only as the only person using a Samsung phone in a 500-meter radius, but for the variety of designs you can choose from as well. Plus, while it stays on thoroughly in my scientific rub test, when you do want to remove it, it comes off clean without leaving any residue behind. Win-win. Outside of yourself, you ain't never seen something so tiny before. Yet the OhSnap 3 Pro still manages to do this. Yeah, a full finger grip that pops right out, and while it is magnetic and compatible with all MagSafe phones flawlessly, they've also included some sticky tape around the edge to keep it in place on any other device too. Perfect for the S23 Ultra, given it's much larger than you're used to holding, and surprisingly, actually comfortable to use too. It can freely rotate so you can hold it at any angle, and even clips into place to double as a stand too, which is even more wild when you remember all that was tucked into something no thicker than a nickel. The best part, when done, it snaps back flat and you'll barely notice it's there, plus still allowing you to slow charge with it on too. The real kicker is this though, because if you know how valuable this is. But even after every pocket, shake, or drop test, this stays on, so you never have to worry about it accidentally popping off either, especially while you complete your one-handed activities. Now, if you've ever carried a battery with you, then you know the problem is never the battery itself, it's the damn wires. Thankfully, mophie's PowerStation Plus with 10,000 milliamps of charge solves all of that for me. While it doesn't try to be the slimmest or lightest on earth, they solve the real issues with the built-in cables, sturdy construction, and offering 20-watt fast charging, because no one likes waiting for their phones to juice up. Better yet, with a Lightning and USB-C built in, you can multitask and keep everyone happy at the same time without having to deal with several wires and devices to do so. I'm personally a fan of the matte, soft rubber look and feel, plus its smooth edges make it slide in and out of pockets without any issues. In use is where it shines though. Being able to simply hide behind the phone with its tiny wire never getting in the way is worth the price alone. Plus, that soft finish is designed to be held as well, as it won't scratch up your devices, but also keep itself from breaking down over time too. If you're also addicted to TikTok like myself, then you know how repetitive this can be. Thankfully, I discovered this. A TikTok remote controller that fits on like a finger ring. With 3 buttons available, you can scroll up, scroll down, play pause, and double click to like the video too. And sure, you can be a total sheep and just use your fingers to do all that, but imagine you're eating a juicy burger, your hands are occupied, but you obviously need your entertainment while you eat. Now you can, without ever touching your screen. It's got a soft touch finish with a fairly adjustable ring size, plus it even comes with its own charging case too, with USB-C as well. Yes, this is definitely a luxury purchase. No one actually needs this, but given it's only about $20, you can simply justify it as a camera remote too. Or, you know, wear it like jewelry as if you're from the year 2069. If there's one thing Samsung does well, is pack a lot of megapixels into a camera you'll never use other than to take bathroom mirror selfies. So it only makes sense to get accessories to fully utilize that opportunity. Therefore, the ULANZI CapGrip 2 allows you to transform your S23 into what feels like a full-fledged camera. There's a built-in flip-out selfie mirror that attaches magnetically, a dedicated shutter button right above the grip like a real camera would have, plus it's removable too, so you can finally be included in those family group shots. There's an accessory mount for lights or microphones, a thick rubber lining to keep your phone scratch free, and a surprisingly comfortable rubber textured grip that leaves you feeling pretty confident holding such a giant device. It doesn't end there. For being just a simple piece of plastic, there's a tripod mount and a secret cable compartment beside that too. So when fully decked out, you've got everything you need to become the next YouTube star. All you're missing is just some personality. Facts aside, if you plan on using your camera quite a bit, this elevates your experience in every way without having to permanently commit to anything, as you can pull it right off and stuff it into your pocket since it doesn't weigh as much as a real camera either. But you know what they say, the best camera is the one you have on you. This is probably my favorite accessory, like ever, because we've all done this before. So I found this pillow, phone, and tablet holder on Amazon and had to try it for myself, which to my surprise actually worked exactly as they said it would. With a super soft and strangely addictive cushion to squeeze, combined with a stiff leather covered top and an adjustable friction arm, it allows you to do this. No more having to hold it up yourself and get tennis elbow like I have from it. You can go portrait, landscape, up close, or super far, all while relaxing on your favorite couch, beanbag, or floor if you can't afford either. The pillow conforms to whatever tiny molehill you set it on and stays exactly where you want it to, so you can enjoy your other hands-free activities too. Yeah, this all applies to a tablet attached as well, which held it through my scientific shake test, so this Amazon find gets a thumbs up from me. Comment what theme I should do next, but that's it. I rest my phone pillow